this video, we will see how to uninstall HCL Notes client from latest Mac OS system. Before going ahead with demonstration, we will see different methods of HCL Notes client uninstallation on Mac OS. First one is you can uninstall HCL Notes client by simply dragging hclnotes.app file from /applications to the trash. Second method is you can uninstall Notes client using uninstaller application supplied with the Notes install media. Here, users' data and configuration not get deleted. Last one is you can uninstall HCL Notes by dragging the following item to the Apple Mac OS trash bin. This will perform clean uninstallation and it will not preserve user data. Here, user need to take care of backup before performing further steps. Let's begin with demo. Here, first we will verify Mac OS and Notes client information. Click on Apple sign. Click About this Mac. Here we can see Mac OS Big Sur version 11.3.1 installed. For Notes client, click on HCL Notes, About HCL Notes. Here we can see HCL Notes 1101 FP3 IF1 notarized installed. We will see uninstallation method 1. Please make sure Notes client is not running. So I'm closing Notes client here. Click on Go menu. Click on Applications. Select hclnotes.app file. Drag it into the trash. Enter password to allow this operation. Click OK. In this method, program gets removed from Mac OS, not the data. If you run HCL Notes installer, it will again install Notes client on existing data and no configuration required. Now we will see uninstall method 2. Make sure Notes client is not running. Here, open Notes install media. Click on uninstaller to start uninstallation. Wizard will run. Prompt to select volume that you would like to uninstall Notes from. So here we will select volume. Click on uninstall. Enter your password to allow this operation. Click OK. Uninstallation in process. So here Notes is uninstalled completely. Click on quit. Similar to method 1, if you run HCL Notes installer, it will again install Notes client on existing data and no configuration required again. Now we will understand the clean uninstall method. Make sure Notes client is not running. Click on Go menu, Applications, select hclnotes.app file and HCL application support folder. Drag them to trash. Enter password to allow this operation. Click OK. Now click on Go menu. Go to folder. Go to folder /library/application support. Click on Go. Select HCL Notes data folder. Drag it to trash bin. Go back to library folder. Preferences. Drag Notes preferences file to trash bin. Deleting these files and folders, we completed the clean uninstallation of Notes client on macOS. I hope this video will help you to uninstall HCL Notes client from macOS. Thank you for watching this video.